My name is Kathleen Scott, and I'm a counsel at Arnold & Porter LLP in New York City. For the past several years, I've had the honor of working with the Appleseed Foundation. Appleseed and its public interest justice centers identify impediments to opportunity and develop practical solutions that aim to benefit as many people as possible. I'm a bank regulatory attorney, and there are very few bank regulatory pro bono projects. However, in working with Appleseed's Immigrant Access to Financial Services project, I've been able to use my bank regulatory expertise on a variety of projects, most recently assisting Appleseed's project to increase transparency and remedies for people in the U.S. who send money back to their family members in their home countries. I didn't work with one particular immigrant client sending money home, but throughout the project, I've been made keenly aware that these remittances are a lifeline to people around the world. These remittances enable them to buy food, clothing, and safe shelter. People uprooted their lives to come to the U.S. with the hope of sending money home to their families. They're entitled to be sure that money arrives safely and as expected. More money is sent to developing countries through remittances than through official foreign aid or charity. It's estimated that over $45 billion in remittances in 2009 were sent from people in the U.S. to family members in countries around the world. However, a lack of uniformity in disclosing fees, exchange rates, and other information about these transfers has made it difficult for people sending remittances to really compare various prices to determine which business is offering the best deal. I provided technical assistance, bill analysis, and advice on the backdrop of banking laws and regulations to Appleseed when they were working on the remittance disclosure provisions contained in the Dodd-Frank Major Financial Reform Bill in 2010. The law requires the persons sending remittances abroad receive uniform and transparent disclosures about the fees and exchange rates for a remittance, as well as information on how much money the recipient will actually receive on the other side of the transfer. Once the law was passed, we helped Appleseed on the regulatory phase of ensuring fairness to remittance senders. We believe that the final rules are straightforward and essential for consumer understanding and generally in line with comments we submitted. Consumers will be able to distinguish between good corporate actors and bad ones, and remittance dollars will flow to the businesses that treat their customers the best. These new regulations will be worth millions of dollars to people in the U.S. and around the world. Finally, I'm the great-granddaughter of immigrants, and it gives me a great sense of pride and satisfaction to use my skills in banking and regulatory law to help today's immigrants to better understand the U.S. financial system.